Let's get ready for Ustrasana. Camel pose. Sit in Vajrasana. Stand on the knees. Arms at the sides. Knees and feet should be together as much as comfortable. Lean back. Reach out for the right heel with the right hand. The left heel with the left hand. Without straining, push the abdomen forward. Keep the thighs vertical. Bend the head behind. Spine stretched. Relax the whole body. Weight of the body evenly supported by the legs and the arms. Remain in this position for as long as comfortable. Breathing normally. Gradually return to the starting position by slowly releasing the hands from the heels one at a time. Let's practice Surya Bheda Pranayama, vitality stimulating breath. Assume a comfortable meditative posture, head and spine straight. Place the hands on the knees in Chin or Gyan Mudra. Close the eyes. Relax the whole body. Watch the breath until it spontaneously becomes slow and deep. Now, adopt Nasagra Mudra. First two fingers between the eyebrows. Close the left nostril with the ring finger and inhale slowly, deeply through the right nostril. At the end of inhalation, close both nostrils. Retain the breath. Perform Jalandhar Bandha, Moola Bandha. Maintain for a few seconds. Release the Moola Bandha, then the Jalandhar Bandha. Head upright. Exhale slowly through the right nostril, keeping the left nostril closed with the ring finger. This is one round. Continue breathing for 10 rounds. Let's get ready for the practice of Trataka, concentrated flame gazing. We light the candle, place it on a small table such that the flame is exactly at eye level when sitting, and we adjust the position that the candle is arm's length away from the body. Now sit in a comfortable meditative posture, head and spine erect. Close the eyes. Relax the whole body, the eyes. Be aware of the body's steadiness. Keep the body absolutely still. Open the eyes. Gaze steadily at the tip of the wick. The flame may flicker, but the tip will remain steady. Do not blink or move the eyeballs. Do not strain. Keep the awareness completely centered on the wick. You will find body awareness is lost. Every time the mind begins to wander, bring it back to the practice. After a minute or two of practice, or when the eyes become tired and begin to water, close them gently. Now gaze at the after image of the flame in the space in front of the closed eyes. The image may move up or down, side to side. Observe it. Try to stabilize it. When the image begins to fade, try to bring it back. When it no longer can be retained, now open the eyes gently and gaze at the tip of the wick once more. Repeat this procedure for external gazing. Close the eyes once more and gaze at the inner image. We can continue this practice 3 to 4 times, and after the final round, practice palming. Rub your hands, place them lightly, cupping them over the eyes, feeling the warmth. Repeat 2 to 3 times before finally opening the eyes.